There's a great sense of accomplishment when you work through the process of selecting a pattern, matching it with fabric choices, and then, working through that project development phase until you're on the runway modeling it for a crowd. I think one of the most valuable pieces, though, of 4-H project learning is the intergenerational relationships that really get fostered throughout. Take, for example, clothing and textiles, where a family member can pass on a hobby or some really special skills that have been part of their family's culture for generations.
So Sydney, I know you've been in the sewing construction project for a few years now. How many years have you been in it, and what have you learned through the project?
I've been in it for about 8 years, and I've learned that every pattern is different and usually needs adjusted, but in the end it's really fun because you get to make a product and wear it.
Good. And what is your favorite part about 4-H?
Probably that you get to display what you make, because you take the time to make it and then you get to actually show everybody what it looks like.
You get to show off your work.
When you're looking at a pattern, do you try to find something versatile that you can make maybe multiple things? Like I see on this, you could make a blouse, you could make the dress, that there's different things. Do you kind of look for that, how much you can get out of one pattern?
Yes, we always look to make sure that we could probably use it again. Because like with this pattern, there's many different things that you can make with it. So that's one of the reasons I chose it. Sometimes I'll walk into school and people will be like, "I love your dress." And I'll be like, "Yes, I actually made this."
The beauty of 4-H is that the Positive Youth Development Program is really focused on being progressive and connecting with today's youth, meeting them where they are to help them find their spark. What makes them shine? What do they feel comfortable in? What do they want to do to be a leader in tomorrow's world? Their passion and skills and interests are going to be developed and fostered throughout the 4-H experience. But you couple that spark finding with really timeless tradition. And that's just what makes me so excited about 4-H. It's an opportunity to take that future planning and spark finding venture and bring it back to the basics. Bring it back to those timeless skills, those family values, that intergenerational connection that makes 4-H of the past equally as powerful as 4-H of today and the future.